Well, if you take a day off, look what happens. A lot of things were put into paint. We've seen these aluminum products go into this silver paint. The trainee went into black, and then obviously we've been keeping a close track on our zinc, yellow zinc chromate, and we just got some more stuff from yellow zinc chromate back. A lot of trainee bolts as well as engine bolts, and it's very, very distinctive between the silver and the yellow and the black. Very contrasty, but looks great.
That zero portion, if you find the one that goes on that there side and put it somewhere.
Looks real sharp.
Oh, I see it. Getting it looking at.
All I was gonna say, it's better than new. Transfer case shifters right on.